Sometimes we have chips or sharp things. We can't get them all the way out. With a toothbrush. Sometimes we need to have other materials that the average person probably just wouldn't have. And then we have more sugar sitting on top of two. And then you always have your multiple children sitting right there watching you. But you gotta get it all the way out. Go over it with a brush. It's the advanced level. Fortunately. And this is just a day. As my son arms through my shirt. Alright, I think we're good. I think we got them all. Actually done brushing. And there goes my phone. That's how it goes. That is literally how it goes. Turn you off. See, forget it. I don't want to brush. Give you the day off. But come on. Let's go. In a perfect world, you want to wait 30 minutes after a child or you has eaten to brush, but too bad this world isn't perfect. Do what you can. Oh, yeah. Those are chips or sandwich. Who knows? I always want to look like I want to just my good patient. For the child that I have the most. Okay, baby, come sit down. Alright, done brushing.
Did I buzz light your toothbrushes?
They have all kinds of toothbrushes.
Did I know your toothbrushes?
I got all kinds of toothbrushes.
Can my new one be a Helio?
Can you open up your mouth and shh? Close a little. Twice a day. Every day. For 2 minutes. Okay, please get back there. Thank you, thank you. This is hard. It's just not easy. You got, especially if you got more than one, more than two. Come on. Relax.
No.
Alright, go spit. Okay, please move.
Wait.
Alright, then you gotta put your phone in your pocket. Yeah. Yeah. Because of course, I don't really allow electronic use without there being something. But now I'm distracted. Close a little bit, close a little bit. Help me out, please. Okay. And we're going to pediatric dentist tomorrow. Every child has their own different needs. Come on. Ah, good job. Done brushing. Alright, brushing and brushing advanced. Still have to floss. Open. And it's always a good way to just see what you did already. Look, little spot right there. Normally, if you'd wait 30 minutes, all that would be done and already chewed up, but and it may already do it, but you haven't got the kind of time and you're already here, right? In the army, you always learn to make a place better than what you left it, what you found it. Make a place better than what you found it. Okay. Alright. Done. Okay. Open. Okay. Every child needs this type of attention. Regardless of what's going on. Every day. Twice a day. No, baby. 2 minutes. And floss. Okay. Now we're done.